We'll work through the questions on Sunday. All right. Yeah, we're at one Sunday gone.
So make sure
You didn't see the thing there. You didn't see the pictures. The pictures we sent Sunday gone. What class on Sunday? It wasn't until then.
That's Sunday God, she said we're up Sunday.
Yes, workshop. Our friend, Christmas coming does not change the reality that Maths is also coming. And we have got to get ready for the Maths. You understand? After you pass the Maths, then you can have Christmas. Alright.
Which is next year.
Guys, can we talk? Especially since we're videoing this, we don't have that conversation in the video. Because that conversation is going to be immortalized.
So what is that? 33 or 38? The third one.
Third? 35. Alright, can you all stop a second, please? Alright, we're going to go through all of these questions. Alright, can you see parallel lines here?
Yes.
What do you call this straight line here? Transversal. Can you see, would you agree with me if I say to you that A and 80 degrees are interior angles?
Yes.
Remember I told you that interior angles are angles which are what? Between the what? Parallel lines. Would you agree with me that these two interior angles are on the right hand side of the transversal?
Yeah.
Now, whenever you have two interior angles on the same side of the transversal, those two interior angles add up to 180 degrees and they are called co-interior angles. So to answer this, I would say A plus 80 is equal to 180 degrees. They are co-interior angles. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Supplementary means that they add up to 180 degrees. Help me. Positive 80 goes over and become what?
Negative 80.
A 180 minus 80. A is what? 100 degrees. Stay with me. Down here, who can tell me what D is equal to and why? So which angle is, what is D equal to?
110.
Why?
Their corresponding angle.
Very good. D is equal to 110 degrees. They are corresponding angles. Stay with me. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Alright, would you agree that, what do you call this? Would you call this top left? Would you agree with me that D is the what? Top left angle? Which angle down here would be in the same position? So at the top and to the what? Left. These two are in the same position, don't it? No, 70 is what? Bottom. Is bottom what? Right. It's to the what? Bottom and it is to the what? Right. This is what? At the top and it's to the what? Left. This is at the top and to the what? Left. These two are what? Equal. They are corresponding angles. Stay with me. Always try and find the shortest what way to your answer. Who can tell me what A is equal to and why? No.
Alright.
What is A equal to and why?
A equals to 70.
A is 70 degrees.
Alright.
Why?
Corresponding angle.
I just extended the lines a little to make it clearer. Down here, would you agree? So these are my parallel lines, and this would be my transversal. Would you agree with me that that A is what at the top and to the right? Let me know.
Yes, sir.
Down at this intersection, which angle is in the same position?
70.
So A is equal to 70 degrees. They are corresponding angles. What can you tell me about B and the 70? They add up to what? 180. They are angles on a straight line. B would be equal to what? 180 minus what? 70. They are angles on a straight line. B would be equal to 110 degrees. Stay with me.
So B
Down here, who can tell me what A is equal to and give me the reason? What is A equal to and give me the reason?
61.
No.
A.
A is equal to 6 to 1. Why is A equal to 6 to 1? No. They are alternate angles. Tell me if you see this. Look here.
Back page.
Well, that's just formal and then something, sir.
Can you see it? Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
A is equal to 61 degrees. They are alternate angles. Stay with me.
I didn't know too much of man, he said no, for sure, but you must be all confident, are you?
Who can tell me what in this diagram, what is A equal to and give me the reason?
Sir, one on the turn upside down angle and this is going up, sir, and B the right way, so, right? Sir, A equals 68.
A is equal to 68 degrees. I agree with you. Why? Why is A 68 degrees? They're corresponding angles. Alright, if you want to, you could extend this parallel line and extend this parallel line and extend the transversal. And if you want, you could probably temporarily take out this outside.
So B.
I'm going to put it back, I'm going to put it back. What was here, 51?
Yeah.
Is it clear now?
Yeah.
A is equal to what? 68 degrees.
Yeah.
They are what? Corresponding angles. A is equal to 68 degrees. They are what? Corresponding angles. So let's put this back. And I think the angle that was here was what? 51? Who can tell me what is B equal to and why?
Sir, the meet circle.
B is equal to 51.
Why is B equal to 51?
They are
They are alternate angles. I agree with you. B is equal to 51 degrees. They are alternate
What's that
angles.
then? Upside.
Watch it.
See there?
No man,
You
no.
don't see it?
Somebody said that.
Back
See,
page.
look now, turn the head, so.
It's already big up here.
B is equal to 51 degrees. They are what? Alternate angles.
So we see that now. We say we Z, almost no Z this so.
Who can tell me for this diagram what is A equal to and give me the reason?
So hold on, make us see if we can master it out, sir.
A equal to 50.
50.
Alternate.
Very good. A is equal to what? 50 degrees. A is equal to 50 degrees. Alternate angles. Do you see it?
Yes, sir.
Hold on there.
Do you see it?
So now when you reach now, we stop.
What can you tell me about B and the 145 degrees?
Sir. No, sir.
Minus
Four, sir, 145
Very
from
good, smart.
180.
They are co-interior angles.
Yeah,
And the two of them add up to what?
180.
Can you see that these are between the parallel lines?
Yes, sir.
Can you see that they are between the parallel lines?
Yes, sir.
And they are on the same side of the what? Transversal. Whenever you have what? Two angles between the parallel line on the same side of the transversal, they add up to 180 degrees. They are called co-interior angles.
So you have to put all them there?
So B is equal to 180 minus 145. They are co-interior angles. B is equal to what?
Sir,
35.
that's what he see, you know.
Alright.
Hold on this, sir. So hold on, you know.
So this is 50. And this is what? 35. What can you tell me about A, B, and C?
So let me tell you.
What can you tell me about them? A, B, and C add up to what?
360, sir.
Why? They are angles at a point. They're angles at a point. So I could say that what? C would be equal to what? 360 minus what? 50 plus what? 35. Do you agree? They are angles at a point. So C is equal to 360 minus, is it 85?
Yes, sir.
So C is equal to what? 285? No? 275, thank you. 275 degrees.
So what I'm we understand, sir. So now when you say no somebody.
Are you ready?
They down with this so bam, bam, bam. What is A? What is it down with that? What is that looking this?
Alright, let's finish this. Alright, here. Alright. This is a problem. That's the problem.
That means
Now,
so you know what kind of angle that
in
is
this
up?
question, do you see a transversal?
No, sir.
There are no transversal. A transversal must be what? Touching or cutting across what? Two parallel lines. Is there any line that is touching two parallel lines in this question?
No.
This line only touch one, and this line only touch what? One. In a situation like that, you have to introduce a third parallel line, which I'm going to drive through the middle of A. I just introduce a what? A third parallel line. Now, this third parallel line cuts the angle A into two pieces, don't it?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to call the top piece A1 and the bottom piece what? A2. So this is A1 and A2. Who can tell me what A1 is equal to and give me the reason?
55.
A1 is 55 degrees. Why?
Yes,
Alternate angles. Who can tell me what A2 is equal to and why?
25.
Sir, alternative.
25 degrees. Why?
Alternate.
Angles. No. Who can tell me what A is equal to? It would be what? 55 actually plus what? 25. Do you agree?
Yes.
Which is what? 80 degrees. A would be 80 degrees. So if you're a situation like that, it's what I did. I had to add a what? A third parallel line.
So we can definitely.
Because what? Remember I told you that these things do not exist unless you have what? Parallel lines being cut by a transversal.
Don't even know what is that. What is that transversal again, sir?
Straight line that connects or cuts across two or more parallel lines. Tell me, what can you tell me about these three angles? 2x, 70 and x.
So them add up to.
They're angles on a straight line. So I could say that what? 2x plus x plus 70. They are what? Angles on a straight line. Alright, I want to see if I want to change that or something. We take away 70 from 180, where you get?
110 and
110. And 110 don't divide exactly by
60.
what? Yeah,
Put 60.
thank you. I'm going to change it to 60. I don't want to put, you understand?
A point.
This is 60. Alright. Alrighty. So, I didn't put the 180. These three angles add up to 180 degrees. They are angles on a straight line. Stay with me. So 3x is equal to 180 minus 60, which is 120 degrees. Divide both sides by 3. X is what? 40 degrees. Stay with me. Alright, the next thing we need to find is what?
Y.
The next thing we need to find is
Y.
y.
Sir, 3x.
Anybody can tell me what y is equal to and give me the reason.
40.
Yeah.
Why is y equal to and y? Why is not 40?
So y
No.
is 50.
Huh?
50.
No,
Y
there's no
is
50
X.
up there. You see 50?
60.
Y is what? 60 degrees. Why is y 60 degrees?
I think it is corresponding, sir. Sir, 60
Why?
no?
Is equal to 60 degrees. They are corresponding angles. Alright, can I show you why? Cover this for a second. Check out this for a second. Is it clearer?
Yes.
Parallel lines, and this is the what? Transversal. This is top, left. Top, left. These two are equal. They are what? Corresponding angles. Let's put this back. So what I just did in terms of removing, you understand? So that you can see clearer, you are going to have to find a way to do that mentally. Alright, so next thing is the what? Homework. Tomorrow we are going to be looking at, tomorrow we're going to be looking at